So last time I came here, I want to say it probably was about a little over 2.5, 3 years ago. This car was here at the shop, and it was burgundy. That's crazy, man. That car.
That's what we did to it. Bag it.
Now, the engine bay was still same color, right? As it was when you all had it, when it was maroon? Because if I'm not mistaken, I remember seeing all this that last time we was here.
Yeah, most of this was there, yes.
Most of that was there already, okay.
Yeah.
That's just ridiculous.
Who you rolling with?
You just pulled up at DRZA, baby. One thing about A.K.O.M, boy, if you ain't noticed, we've been working. If y'all remember, Team A.K.O.M was going strong for like 1.5 years, 2 years. I'm talking about every single car show, Fuel Fest. We putting our cars on the road, North Florida, South Florida, for a whole 1.5 years, 2 years, man. The last year, up until maybe 2-3 months ago, we had took a small break because, I mean, just like with anything, if you got the cars on the road for 1.5 years, 2 years, at some point, cars is gonna go down. They gonna need modifications. They gonna need maintenance. You know, people go through family issues. So during that time, we was focusing more on the business aspect of everything instead of popping out at car shows and doing things like that. But guess what? We healthy, baby. We ain't got no cars down now. And what door would this be, sir? Where are we at right now?
At DRZA Auto, the Nissan specialist on the East Coast.
You see what it says? Oh yeah. How y'all doing? SR20 head. Ooh. SR20. 2.2 SR.
Now, 100 million signups according to this data. So
nasty.
what's going on?
Ugh.
Yeah, saying that this is all organic growth and that, you know, the Twitter, you know, on its heels, not necessarily out of business. About Twitter is that it's used.
We got a VQ. See the 2J, if I'm not mistaken, he said it's a 3.4 2J. I always want to make sure I know what I'm talking about. RB25.
Continuing to be dangerous for some advertisers, posts from other folks. So, you know, that's.
Just let y'all know right now, I don't know if y'all like people touching your car, but if you're gonna let anybody touch your car, this the man that should be touching it right here. 73?
73. And we did like almost a complete resto mod to it.
Get out of here. Like complete?
It was just a shell when we came.
Just a shell when it came in. Oh man, y'all done completely custom welded the exhaust and everything. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh snap.
3-inch oval.
3-inch elbow.
From the front all the way to the back.
All the way from the front, all the way to the back. Look at that.
We make our own flanges and all that stuff for it.
Okay, so you all made a custom flange for it. Okay, currently making about 400. Look at that. The suspension work.
Just for this car with the offset and all that.
Okay.
Work wheels shut their facility down for 3 days to make these wheels. They sent for us.
Get out of here.
It took us 8 months to get them.
8 months to get them, and they shut the warehouse down for 3 days to make those wheels. That's dope. And they fire too.
Yeah, we waited a while for them.
You said they had to be fire, right? When did you buy this one, sir?
2 days ago.
2 days ago. Stupid. Come on, bro. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see that DRZA stamp right there. RB25. So last time I came here, I want to say it probably was about a little over 2.5, 3 years ago. This car was here at the shop, and it was burgundy. Look at it now. That's crazy, man. That car.
That's what we did to it. Bag it.
Now, the engine bay was still same color, right? As it was when you all had it, when it was maroon? Because if I'm not mistaken, I remember seeing all this that last time we was here.
Yeah, most of this was there, yes.
Most of that was there already, okay.
Yeah, we had done all of that. We were doing the wide body when you came in the last time when you were
Okay, okay. That's just ridiculous. Dopest in the East Coast, baby. This man not playing. He ain't here working. For real. All right. Look at that. The 350 is an RB car.
That one's getting ready to go in a dyno too.
This one getting ready to dyno? Okay. If you had to put a number on it, what you thinking?
Probably like around close to 4.
About 400? Okay.
Yeah.
That's real decent though in this car. I mean, it's a smaller car. It's a drift car too, see? That's real good. Twin turbo VQ?
Yeah.
Twin turbo. Has this one been dyno yet?
Oh yeah. It makes well over 600.
Well over 600. And it look bone stock. You wouldn't know anything by looking at it until he pull up on you and give you the spank spank. Oh, he got the 4Gs? Okay. Got some 4G autos on there too?
Lazy.
Oh, snap.
So that right there
Oh, my God.
is all the GTR gauges.
All in the center. Get out of here. Now, was that screen already in the car?
No.
Okay.
This was installed.
So what was here originally in that spot?
It had a screen, but not the GTR. It had just had a basic screen type deal.
So he got all his gauges, everything right there now. He can adjust it from. Oh, that's sick. Oh, that's sick, bro.
You have your throttle, you have your AFR, and everything works.
Everything
Pressure,
works.
All of that. This is the whole GTR. When you look at 09 to present GTR.
Okay. That is what they got in it. That's the
what it has
display.
in it, and that's what's in here.
Look at that.
So we don't have gauges all over the place.
Talk about customization. It's clean. It's clean. And like you said, gauge is not all over the place because you already got 3 sitting here, and you got them there now, and yeah, that's dope.
You can't tell.
You can't tell anything. Some turbos hiding in there. They hiding. Y'all better watch out.
Doing upgrade coil packs and stuff like that. So
Okay, you said this your son's.
yeah.
Oh man, this is fire, bro.
Switch from AEM to Holotech.
Okay, from AM to Haltech.
Yeah, we're trying to get some more control out of our parameters and stuff like that.
Okay,
for it.
playing with it a little bit, see if you get a little bit more.
No, not necessarily a little bit more. We're trying to clean it up a lot better.
Okay.
With the AEM, we're having issues with it sometimes starting.
Okay.
So with the Holotech, we should be taking care of all that. And we went from the regular coils to smart coils. And we're currently putting AC back into the car.
Currently putting the AC back in. Okay, that's dope. Got the camo going on in there.
Yeah.
Dang, this thing is sick, man. Wow. How much you think that one putting out?
Oh, this car?
Mm-hmm.
This car puts out a lot.
A lot? He said, that's all I'm gonna say. This one's putting out a lot.
33 is getting a full rebuild
Okay.
to make some more power and clean engine bay, and then get back onto the road.
Okay.
Get back down to Iowa.
Get back down to Iowa. See, that's what I'm talking about, man. When you got good business, people will bring their car from all over the world to bring you their car. That's good business.
Yeah. Then we're building the SCCA. The 2.2 that we have
Up front?
up front
Okay.
is going in the SCCA car right there.
Okay. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but super dope to me. Woo! Dollar signs, baby. All right, so what we got going on?
Well, this one here, just for us to look over it, get some maintenance done to it, and put it back. He doesn't like the manifold, the wraps coming apart.
Okay.
So we're gonna take that manifold off and do a coating on it and put it back in. And just check over the car, make sure everything's
Just make sure it's all good before you give it back to him.
Yep. That's what they're here for.
Man, this thing is beautiful, man. Wow. And you said he also owned the 34, right?
Yeah, he owned the 34.
Okay. Drewski Drift. Look at this. So what's going on with this one? You waiting on him to come pick it up, or what's?
No, we gotta do some dyno time to it.
Okay.
Right now it's on the break-in stage where we gotta put some miles on it and get it going.
Okay.
And then put it back on the dyno
To
get
start
some
dialing it
numbers.
in. Okay. All right. Yeah. You know the name. Hey, ain't no half stepping. If you're gonna do it, you gotta fully. You see what it say? Fully send it. We ain't half sending it. We not half drifting. In Tavares, Florida. We are at DRZA's shop. You need to stop playing. Specialized in Nissan and Infiniti. Performance upgrades, fabrication, restoration, customization, regular maintenance. You need your oil change, baby? He do that too. You need an RB2J VQ built? He do that too. We out here, man. One thing you know about A.K.O.M, baby, all we do is work. Tavares, Florida, DRZA, like Alvin said, if Njuku Racing won't touch your car, DRZA will.
Burning out, I can't see nobody. I don't know who is who. Coming through with that Lancer Evo. I got the Supra 2 with the wing and it's carbon fiber, just like the Subaru. People thought I would paint it red, but I'ma do it blue. All kind of muscle. All kind of muscle. Pulling up next to my car, you in all kind of trouble. When that